Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to go through the infrastructure of the term project. My project topic was a car electronic repair system. So firstly we'll go through the classes for the different classes for the project. Here we have the customer class, defined the variables that are private, and then we have the constructor here, and then we have all the getters and setters. We have all the getters and setters for the customer class. Then we have the maintenance.java class. The same thing, we have all the private variables here, and then we have the maintenance constructor, and again we have all the getters and setters. Then we go over to the service class. We have the private variables here, and we have the constructor as well, and we have all the getters and setters for the service class. Lastly, we have the technician class. Same thing, we've got the private variables, then we have the constructor as well, and we have all the getters and setters for the technician class. Now let's head over to the main file to check all the methods that was used. So firstly, we needed to create a static list that was going to have all of that, and in the main function we are going to make this list, all of them, to be array lists. So they are all array lists. We are going to come to the test cases in a moment, but firstly let's go through this. So we have this method to retrieve all the services, then we've got a method to back up the services, and we are doing this in a file called services.dat. Same thing here for the retrieve services. And here we have add services. So we've got add services, and it's going to add it in the service list. Then here we have edit services, the same thing, and we've got delete service, and we have delete all services. So delete service is delete one service, and delete all is deleting all the services that we have in the list. And we can list out just one service if we want to, and we can list out all the services here. Now the next we have for the customers. Now we have the retrieve customer, we have the backup customer, we have add customer, we have edit customer, then we have the delete customer, we have delete all customers, we have list one customer, we have list all customers. The same for the technician. And lastly we have it for maintenance. Okay, so let's have a test run and let's see what we have. So I'm just going to give it a quick run, and I'm going to wait, and I'm waiting to see what happens. Okay, so everything runs successfully with no errors. Let's come over here. We have tests for class service. So we have for the service class, here we have add service and we have list service. So these are all the services that we have, and we are editing service. And if we check what service was edited, this one ID2 was open. Now this service is closed. And we have delete service 4, so this service 4 has to be deleted. And if we look here, service 4 is no more. Then here we have list one service, we are listing just service 2. Then list all services, we are listing all the services once again. And deleting all services, we have deleted everything. And we are listing all the services again after retrieving it from the backup. Now we are doing for the class customer. We have added the customers and we are listing them now. They have the customer name, the car plate number, the contact, the email, and the address. The same thing, we edited the customer. What customer did we edit? Let me have a quick look. Okay, this guy from Lefkosha to Kyrenia. Then we are deleting customer 4. Then we have list one customer, basically. So I think here we deleted customer 2, not customer 4. So if you look here, number 2 is absent, it's missing. So that's deleted customer 2. Then delete all customers, everything is gone. and then we are retrieving what we have from the backup. If you see, number 2 is back present. Now we have the technicians. We've got add technician, we've got list technicians, we've got the name, the contact address, status, and the password and tax number. I just put the stars to mimic a password behavior because the password cannot be visible in the database. Then we've got edit technician. We have edited. What technician did we edit? Let me give it a quick look. We edited this technician 4, from Mausa to Lefke. Then we deleted what technician number 3 was deleted. Then we are listing our technician 4 only, and then we are getting back what we have from the database. Then we have maintenance, so we have added maintenance and we are listing the maintenance. We have edit maintenance. So what maintenance did we edit? We have pending, cancel, completed. So we edited maintenance 4 from ongoing to completed, and then we have delete maintenance. So we deleted maintenance 3, and then we are listing out just one maintenance, that is 5, and we are retrieving what we have from the backup, and we are deleting all of them again, and we are listing it back all over again. So these are all of the test cases that we have, and it is all functional without errors. So this is the infrastructure part of the term project.